Installation of the T-LOC bracket for a wood stud application. Using a level as a reference, draw a horizontal line at the desired shelf height. Be sure to subtract the thickness of the shelf top when marking the line. Use a stud finder to locate the center of each stud to which you will be mounting brackets. Draw a vertical line in the center of each stud up 1 inch from the horizontal line. Place the provided adhesive template on the wall with the centerline mark aligned with the center of the stud and the top of the template aligned with your horizontal line. Use a T30 bit to drive the structural screw into the lower indicator, stopping when the screw is approximately 1/4 inch from the wall. Place the base plate onto the screw. Drive a structural screw through the upper hole to secure the base plate to the wall. Lock the shelf bracket arm into the base plate. Place a level on the bracket and level it by adjusting the lower screw. Turn it clockwise to lower the front of the bracket and counterclockwise to raise it. Place a level across both brackets and level the brackets to each other. Place the shelf onto the brackets and push it firmly against the wall. Measure out 2 inches from the stud center line and mark it with a pencil. Use the included 5/32 inch drill bit to drill to, but not through, the bracket. Use the number 1 square drive bit to drive the 1 inch self-tapping trim screw through the hole and into the bracket to secure the shelf. For more information or to find a distributor near you, visit InnovaShelf.com.